What's up, guys? Have you ever felt like you and your partner are just one person? That's the kind of idea behind cognitive interdependence. Here's an analogy. Think of your brains like grocery lists. At first, you each have your own list filled with your favorite things. Peanut butter for you, protein bars for your partner. But the more time you spend together, the more your list starts to overlap. You learn for your favorite snacks, the weird cravings, or even dietary restrictions. This shared knowledge creates a kind of mental shortcut. You see the milk on the shelf and you know that your partner needs it. Just like you know you need peanut butter. It's all mind reading, but it's pretty darn close. This is cognitive interdependence. Your sense of self expands to include your partner. You use we instead of I because you see yourselves as a team. You start making excuses for the mistakes, just like you would for a missing puzzle piece that must be around here somewhere. This connection isn't just mushy feelings, it actually helps relationships last. It makes you see each other in a positive light and helps you manage stress together. Pretty cool, huh?